For the next step, I've been using up some of my scrap. I made this piece and then just set it down in various places and traced it around. I need a total of like 16 of these or something. I'll show you where these are going. These are going to be braces for the roof. So I just weld them on to the ribs and doing them on each side, every other rib, and these will hold up the roof. As you can see here, it doesn't line up yet. I'm going to pull on that with the winches, and that way it'll line up flat with the roof, and I'll get a nice even look. So for example, this one's welded in, and it goes all the way across to that one, which is welded in, and then this piece will be welded back onto the roof for strength all the way across. And of course I'll make a whole grid worth of these 1/2 inch by 1/8 inch. I had an epiphany today. The name of this boat will be Rusty Junk. This is day 37 and here's the progress. I'm starting to get the cabin roof up. Here's the inside. So this will be the pilot house. It's 8.5 feet tall. Of course there'll be a floor down here so that I can have storage and see out the windows that will be up there. That's the rear. And this is what it looks like from the outside. Here you can see previously when I pulled all this in, right here is where the pulling point was welded on, and you can see it just really pushed things in. I'll have to work that out slowly with some heat and a lot of hammering later on. Just in case you're wondering, these are magnets from a speaker. These come in handy when I want to hold metal in place temporarily. And then these are just little neodymium magnets. It's really warming up now. We're up to 48 degrees. It was 33 degrees this morning. Cut these pieces out, welded them in on both sides. There's that side. Now I'm cutting the pieces that will go on the bottom. These pieces will go like that. I'm working on that side. It used to bow in, but I wedged this 4x4 in between the two sides. This side is mostly welded in, so it has a little bit more strength, and that helped me push that out so I can at least start welding and then hammer it little by little to get it straight. Morning of April 10. This is where I am so far. I raised the boat up off the ground just a little bit more. I'm working on the ribs for the roof. So I'll have these cross ribs and I'll have longitudinal ribs as well. But now it's time to go out on the Arizona Trail, be out there for about a month, and then I'll resume construction when I get back.